Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yo,
Order submitted. Order canceled.
yo, Bro, I entered a 61.8, and I don't know why my order got filled like instantly.
What? It was a winner though.
Huh?
It was a winner though, right?
No, like it. Well, I didn't lose, but
Order
it's
canceled.
as soon as I went in, it instantly cut me out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened, but man, that
Damn.
would have been a crazy one, you know? No heat, and went straight down. Man,
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Bro, I built something crazy.
Order submitted.
is it something new or what you've been working on?
Nah, the shit I've been working like I did some updates last night.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah. It's yeah.
damn, what you add to it?
I just did
Order submitted.
some capabilities in terms of like volume analysis, um,
Order canceled.
and yeah, just the whole. It's, oh my god, bro. Oh my
Order
god,
canceled.
this
Damn,
shit is, bro, bro. All I'm saying is it's over. It's over,
damn, bro, you got a month, bro. So if you think about it, though, originally you were just trying to improve something, and bro, you
Order submitted.
came out and built something way better than the way you intended.
yeah.
That's crazy.
It, and and bro, I was
Order
able to
canceled.
take off one of my charts. I was able to
Order
delete one of
filled.
my charts or a couple of my charts. Now I have zero lag. I
Oh,
have zero lag, bro.
so you think that solved it?
Order submitted.
Bro, my bro, the chart is moving so fast right now,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just watching the orders. I'm just watching the orders get filled. I'm watching targets move down. I'm watching trails. It's bro.
Order canceled.
It's gorgeous right now.
Bro, that's
Oh
crazy.
my god, bro. My machine is flawless.
Bro, today the market moved like crazy today. Not in a bad way.
Yeah,
It's made some good moves.
bro. This shit is fucking flawless. Like I'm talking about flawless.
Damn.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, bro. That's why for me, automation is the
Order
only way.
submitted.
Well, let me not nah, hold on. Scratch that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Automation is, bro, I
Order
built this
submitted.
shit.
Yeah, bro,
Order canceled.
it's crazy, bro. I, I don't know how the hell you did it, bro. I don't know how the hell
Yo,
you did it.
bro, it's up like 3,000.
You did a year's worth of work, fucking months worth of work in weeks.
Order submitted.
Yeah. This is all right. Now I'm about to turn the copying off. Hold on. Let me see. All right.
Order
This
submitted.
is this is
Order canceled. Order
oh,
canceled.
bro.
What up?
Yo. All right. You know what? I think it's I'm about to just share the screen just because this is this is insane. This is actually insane. All right, I just turned the copying off. Okay. All right. Zoom. Hold on. Yeah. There. Zoom. What happens if I do that? Okay. Here. Full screen. Home. We're gonna share. This is screen one. All right. Okay. Um. Hold on one second. Yeah, from the open. I mean, look at the trades it's just been taken. Let's go over it.
Yeah.
Hold on one second. Let me. 1 second.
Order submitted.
Still, it's in a trade now. Let me just hold on. Nah, that's not what I was trying to do.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order canceled.
All right. So I'm gonna just, bro. It's up like 4K. I just turned the strategy off. Okay. All right. Let's go. What's the screen one? All right. Tell me when you can see the screen. What if you get it?
I can see it.
Okay. So I actually turned it on late, but nonetheless, um, let's work through it. So, and I just saw someone. Hold on. I think someone just said that they can't download Ninja. Yeah, not until yeah, cloud. Okay. So, all right. So actually, so 930 came. First signal was the strengthening. So I actually should have gotten here. That'd have been a winner. First trade
Order
actually
submitted.
was it was a pullback trade. It hit the 49 tick. I said 49 ticks. It goes to break even plus a couple. That happened.
Order
Then
submitted.
the next trade happened, and we had a target. Um, we got trailed out. Then we had another trend. We went long target. Obviously, that's whatever. That's fine. Pull back.
Order
There was
filled.
a break even stop there.
Bro,
Short. That's a target. Missed a
the,
bunch. That's fine. Short on a pullback. Short on a strengthening. Those went and did their thing. Trend target and a pullback. They both went there and did their thing. Strengthening did their thing. This pullback lost. That's fine. Now we're in a trend. Short, we're in a pullback. Short, both of them targets. This trend trailed out. This trend to the downside trailed out. Long trailed out. This short trail, pullback trail, trend long, and then short. I didn't take it. That would have been a winner. This would have been a winner right here. Pullback would have been a winner right here, but I turned it off up 3,900. That's it. The scalp city.
bro,
So
that's cool.
strategy performance. We can look at historicals, but I don't want to. I'm looking at real time,
Order
not real
submitted.
time and historicals. Real time, like real time.
Bro, it be so hard to execute that fast. But even though
Order
this
submitted.
this is your strategy and this is what you've been doing, manually for the past years. But bro, it'd be crazy to even try to
Yeah,
keep up. You see what I'm saying?
hell yeah. So now we can see total net profit as we see 39, 49, 38. We see the numbers here. We see that 19 trades, 18 winners, one loss, max drawdown 500. Let's look at
Gee.
the accumulation of the trades. Win, one loss. Win, done.
Damn, bro.
First trade of the day, between 9:30 and 9:43, it made $3,900.
Order
Bro,
filled.
that's insane,
Ultimatum,
bro. Damn, bro. Am I dreaming, yo?
bro. Bro. This is real. This is real shit, bro. This is real shit,
Bro, that's insane, bro. I think you achieved your goal. I think you achieved your goal, bro. I think you achieved your goal.
bro.
You hit the top.
This is it. This is no joke. This is
Order
it. Like
submitted.
I'm.
Order filled.
We here. Real rap.
Damn,
Real rap. This is it. Live, live and direct, and you can see it. There was more, but that's fine. I just want to let me send this to the people. Yeah, this is uh this is real life
bro. That's crazy.
here. I know the people want it, so you know, gotta get this shit to the people. Copy. Gotta get this shit to the people. You know what I'm saying?
Bro. Bro, that's I'm speechless, bro. That's that's just perfection. It's perfection, bro. I think you achieved your goal. You achieved your goal. There's no way of saying it.
Bro,
Bro,
I'm not nah, bro. This is we got more. There's still more. I
bro,
promise you. That like my goal is to get everyone on this shit.
bro, appreciate it, but bro, you achieved your goal, bro. You achieved your goal. Bro, you need to have a drink this weekend, I swear. Bro, congratulations, bro. You achieved your
Yeah.
goal. You achieved your goal. Like for real.
Yeah, bro. I appreciate it. This is Like, look at my trend and a pullback targets. Man, ooh, insanity. This is crazy, right?
Yeah. Bro, what else is there to it? You bro, I'm telling you, you reached your goal. You reached your goal.
Man, it's like now I just gotta do this to more accounts because
Mm-hmm.
I only copied this to like 4 accounts.
So what would be an instance where you gotta like time some things like trend wise
Say it again.
like what would be an instance where you gotta like look at the data and like just do corrections as data gives you something different. Like what would you look at? Like
Oh, like what am I looking at to see like
yeah.
okay, so I guess I think I know what you're saying. You're
Mhm.
saying it already looks good, but what would I do to improve it? Like how can it be improved?
Kinda, yeah. So let's say it's yielding like because right now it's doing what it's supposed to. But let's say because it's all data driven.
Right.
When would you know that data is pointing for you to do something else? How would
Oh,
you?
um when uh, oh, I see. Okay, I see what you're saying. How would I know if how would I know that data is telling me to do something else? Well,
Yeah, yeah.
well, a so the first one is if if I keep getting clapped, if I'm getting clapped,
Mm-hmm.
that means that okay, if I'm getting clapped and then I look at my results and then I see that a lot of the trades that I was losing, I actually was up a lot on, then I know I need to make some adjustments because what's happening is you always have to yield to the market,
Order
right?
submitted.
So
Right.
if the market is saying like if the market is giving you something but you're not taking it, that's an issue, especially when the market has been giving you something time and time again and time again and time again, and you're not taking it. So that's when I would look at my results. That's why when I look at the data, I don't even look, first I look at the losses. I don't even look at the winners because the winners come, right?
Yeah.
So I look at the losses and I'm like, yo, okay, let's look at all these losses. Let's see, what was my largest loss? Okay, what was my smallest loss? Okay, of all these losses, how much was I up? Ooh, I took a $400 loss, but in that trade I was up 320. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, I took a $380 loss, but I was up 290. Ooh. Oh, I took a $430 loss, but I was up 320. Hmm. So that's when I'm like, okay, I need to I need to tighten up some things. Maybe my trails gotta maybe my trails and break evens gotta lock in a little earlier. You know what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? So for me, you can see all these trades I just took, ain't none of them was a monster winner.
Yeah.
I don't like these trades, bro. Like if I look,
Order submitted.
this trade entry 745, exit 745 basically. Okay, that's like it's like a break even. This trade 727 to 708. That's like 20 points. 694 to 719. That's like 25 points. Okay, and look how much was available of look at this of this whole move. This whole move. This was from let's call it 690 to 830. 690. Let's call it 700. 700 to 830. Let's call it 850. That's 700 to 850. That's 150 points, and I only took 25 30 points. I took 30 points of that 150-point move. That's okay. To me, that's okay. Uh, that's fine. I'm okay with that. A lot of people will be like, "Damn, I could have gotten. Look at my law. I could have had way more on that trade." Look at my total P&L. I'm okay. Bro, I could have had way more. I could have had 150 points. Bro, you got 25 though. That's fine.
Order
This system
filled.
wasn't even built around that.
Yeah, I don't even care about monsters. Like that's not what I want. I don't even. I went long target, short target, short target, short target, long target, long stop, short
Order
short
submitted.
target, short target, long target, short target, long target, short target, long target. No more trades. Could have been a short target. Could have been a long target. Could have been a short target. Could have been a long stop, short target, long target, short target, long target, short target. 950. What do we? Goal already reached. Goal reached back. Bro, my goal was back here. This was my goal. Short winner target done. Okay, let's just. Oh, we in the flow. We flowing. Okay, target. Okay, we good. There's nothing else. So a lot of people, damn, I could have had more, but that's why I'd be like, yo, my data says runners are irrelevant to me. I don't need runners.
Yeah.
I'm good. I don't what's a runner doing for me? I don't. These are all one contract trades. Granted, yes, it's Nasdaq, it's NQ, it's the big boy, but the risk is controlled.
Order filled.
Very.
The risk is controlled. Like there's nothing here undisciplined about nothing. Pullback signal, I got a pullback. The trend change, I'm out the trade. Now we in a trend short, okay. Now we in a pullback short, okay. Targets. Now we in the trend change long, trend change short, trend change long, trend change short, pullback short, trend change long. There's nothing everything is just, it's how I see it. Also, we can look at the market and say, if we want to read the market like how we normally do, okay, market moving up expeditiously to a spot. We know this spot already. Market came up to a spot. What, man, bro, golden ratio, again, we don't know if it's going to win or lose. We never know. And that's why you'll never hear me say that I know something's going to happen. Like you've always heard me say, I don't know shit. I don't know nothing, bro.
Order
I know
submitted.
nothing. All we can do is say we know we have a probability. We can measure out our risk. We can control the amount of contracts we take, and we can control what we put on target. We can control when it's going to trail. What that market actually does, we cannot control. We have probabilities though. We know about some probabilities. What typically happens when the market when we see a crazy drop off, right? When we see a crazy drop off, middle of the night. I mean, the market's been holding this little golden ratio the whole time. But okay, at the open, let's see, what do they do at the open? Okay, crazy run up. So for me, if you're a golden ratio trader, you already know what time it is. Short here, stop above 78.6. What happens? Golden ratio, dump. Like absolute dump. We already knew what time it was. We knew what time it was. They never got back above golden ratio for the session. They never got back above it. Oh, look at that. They never got back above it. And new lows. So that's a golden ratio trade into new lows. Me, y'all know I've already said my psychology, I can't hold a trade that long. Like, congrats to the folks that can hold trades forever and ever and ever and ever. That ain't me. And I don't care. I'm paper hands. I'll own it. I'll claim it. I'll own it. I don't give a fuck. I cannot hold the trade for shit. That's fine. I just can't. That's just how I'm built. I know it. That's me. That's why other strategies and other methodologies,
Order
they might not
submitted.
resonate with me. But taking my little scouts here, give me that 20 points, 30 points here, 25 points here. Okay, 30 point stop. That's fine. 30 point stop. Damn. Okay, 25 points. all those type of things, I'm cool with that. I'm good. Just give me that. Give me this. Look, give me this. That's it. That's it. That's all I need. That's it. So that's how I'm coming. 2026. 2026 is gonna be legendary.
Yeah.
2026 is gonna be legendary. Yeah, I can't wait. I cannot wait. And I realized something with Nasdaq. You can only have like 4 charts up before lag happens, or 5. It depends on what kind of sauce you got on your charts. But yeah, bro, that's. I mean, clean money.
Beautiful.
Clean money. And you know, and the thing is, again, I remember when my mentor taught me some shit. He was going through some shit with us, teaching us some shit. I remember being like, damn, shit don't work.
Order filled.
But the shit does work. You just gotta have parameters around it. Like, I can't just let the shit run all day. It'll eventually give the shit back. But if you have parameters, I want this shit to go get me 1,000, and then stop loss will be 1,000. Okay, once we get to those, you're good. That's how you preserve the account.
And taking advantage of the best time, which is like that first hour and a half. That's like the hot time.
Exactly, and then that's why everything after that done. Although I do have some afternoon strategies that I run because it's a little bit slower. So, but yeah, I mean, it's nice. That's what I'm saying. It's a nice little situation. And so you saw how I also
Order submitted.
with the MyFund futures. Bro, you want to know something crazy?
What's
with
that?
the MyFund futures, bro.
Mm-hmm.
The most amount of contracts I took with that MyFund futures eval, 2 micros.
Oh shit! With 2 micros.
2 micros.
Damn.
That was the max. And every time I went in with 1 micro, and I basically was copying. I was copying. So every time I had a strategy, actually my fault. The most it was 3 micros. So I was running some strategies that would take a mini. I would just copy it to the micros.
Damn.
So like how I would have it run in the
filled.
background.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Bro, that's cold.
Yes, sir. What we doing? Making new lows? Man, this is next level.
Yeah.
To the downside. But yeah, bro, that's how it goes, man. Like, yeah, I am very I'm very happy that I figured this shit out.
Boy, that's crazy.
Order filled.
That's insane.
Did he show your coding guy?
No. He I mean he's well known. The dude I'm talking about. Yeah. He runs the Predator. He's Trade Saber. That's his thing. But I know him very well though too, just because me and him, we go way back, and with my mentor too.
And that Predator got some reputation to it, don't it?
Yeah, no, yeah. A lot of people use Predator, because and again, like I think I don't know if I said this before too, but like the Predator itself is not an algo. The Predator is an order entry tool. You have to put your own methodology into the order entry tool to make it automate it. So basically, like that tool. So you know how I went through all that coding shit on Claude and had to like build the code and all that stuff? Well, what the Predator does is the Predator is basically Claude. The Predator is basically like all the work on Claude done for you already. Now you just got to tell it, hey, I take entries at this spot and I do this and this. And then Predator just does it for you. As opposed to me, where I'm like, I want to take a trade like this, but I actually have to go and build the code out. Predator is the code is already built. Now it just needs to take the trade. Now you just need to tell it when to trade. So that's how that goes.
Yeah.
So yeah, bro, it's crazy. Markets are, bro. I can't believe I had zero lag. That was the craziest part. I deleted a couple charts and I was good. Bro, you can see these trends
Order
forming in real
filled.
time. You can see winners in your head, right? That was a long winner.
Order filled.
Yeah.
That's a winner. That's a trail out winner right there. That's a winner. Easy. Ultimatum. I literally built that shit from fucking scratch. Ultimatum. Wow. Ultimatum. Wow. Wow. Crazy. Insanity, bro. In fucking sanity. Yeah, I'm not even amazed at myself. I'm more amazed at Claude. I'm amazed at the software, the AI. Like, man, look at that. Just bussing. Just bussing. Oh my God. Jesus. Yeah, my shit's locking up. But yeah, bro. That's man. Oof. Shit is gorgeous. Where's Martin at, man?
Where's that boy Martin at?
Where that boy Martin?
Middle wellness check.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
I just took
Yeah.
a nice little scalp. I secured it quick.
You just took a scalp?
Yep, out of
Hell
23.
yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The fuck I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. That was insane stuff. Hmm.
Order submitted.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. So now, uh now I gotta make sure all my data is correct. But yeah, I'm still testing. I'm still doing stuff. I just think right now it's enough for me to trade the open for now. But yeah, bro. You see how I couldn't even tell. So I typically can tell that the open is crazy busy because I get crazy lag. But I didn't have any lag, bro. I'm looking at the chart and I'm looking at the bid ask, and they're the same. And I'm like, ooh, and then I see the trade enter and I see everything. So yeah, that was nice.
And it's good that everything's working within one thing now. Like
Yes,
you don't have to have your screen, so yeah, you're letting it breathe.
exactly. Exactly. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, I think my girl has to return actually. Yeah, bro. I am definitely gotta say that I'm feeling much better about how everything is now. Cause yeah, my thing is I just want to capture. Mm, well, yeah, I think that there's a couple more tests, then I can run this on all my accounts.
Ooh, look at that drop.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah, bro. It's a good feeling, man. Gotta say.
These guys are doing, $50,000 pay.
Oh, look at the market move.
Yeah, bouncing, man. Yeah, bro. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Order
Apex got
filled.
a new sale. I don't know if you saw it too.
New sale.
80% off and then $40 PA fee.
Oh, that's better than the 70.
Yeah, bro. This might be their best deal yet. Because
Yeah,
even the 90% off came with an $85 PA fee. So this is
yeah,
actually cheaper.
yeah. It's cheaper. I thought about that too.
Yeah.
I got me four of the $70 ones. So I just got them sitting back there. I'm waiting for CPI.
Mm. When did you grab those?
Uh, when was it? I got them.
On the 80% off sale? Or 70% off?
Yeah, I
Oh,
got
okay.
those. Let me check.
Let's go.
So I think I got those like around the 9th, November 9th or so. So basically a week ago.
A week ago. Yep. Smart. And now the $40 PAP is still here now. So
Yeah, yeah,
once
and
CBI hit,
those
it's
got the
time.
$40 PA fee. So I'm looking
Mm-hmm.
forward to that.
Hell yeah.
I thought about trading some this Friday, but I don't know. That's too risky
Mm.
for
Well,
F1P.
oh, yeah. I feel you.
I might YOLO like two actually, maybe. It wouldn't hurt.
No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, I might give it a I might give it a shot with like two or so. Fuck it.
Hell yeah. Why not?
One thing I know for a fact, bro, coming this year, I have a good set amount of PAs for sure.
Bro, it's a great feeling. And then the thing is, once you have these PAs, bro, just slow roll them. Like
Mm-hmm.
every bro, I'm telling you right now, my PAs, the PAs that are gonna be, that are fresh or that are newer, because I've blown like a couple throughout the year and shit. But
Yeah,
since obviously replaced them, built them back up, took payouts, whatever. The ones that I do not want to blow, or the ones that I'm on like payout number 4 and shit like that, I'm I'm not. Yo, actually, new rule. All of these shits. No one's touching minis. Nobody's touching minis. Everyone's micros except for a couple of accounts.
yeah, minis are scary.
Yeah, you can get paid quick, but and if you don't have like, if everything is not supreme and clean entries and whatnot, then it can definitely be scary as hell. Like,
Man, it's gonna be years before I can touch up minis again. But
yeah,
I love macros, man. I was playing myself with those minis.
yeah. I personally am not. I'm okay. I'm not doing that in a bunch of like trading mad accounts together. Nah, mm-mm. Nope,
Mm-hmm.
ain't no way. Nope, because it just don't make sense. It don't
And
make
you can
sense
do
to
all
do
that
that.
with macros too.
Yeah, it's just better just in the micros.
Mm-hmm.
It's way better in the micros. So yeah, wow, yeah, bro. What a day.
What a
What a
day.
day. What a day.
Hey, that 61.8 played nice today too.
Beautiful. So yo, what? So what ended up happening? What happened?
Uh the account that I entered on, it it like took me out.
Okay.
But it's all good.
Yeah, that's that shit.
Mm-hmm.
That's that annoying ass shit that happens. But you know, we can't win them all, but
Yeah,
there definitely shouldn't be lag like that, because I'm seeing I'm seeing a lot of people online talk about rhythmic and tradable lag and stuff because of Ninja Trader. So yeah, definitely be careful. That's
yeah.
yeah, people are saying that now.
It's because of solar flares and whatnot, right?
Cloud fair or flare fair. Yeah, but yeah, no, that's right. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah. Mm,
Ooh, where are we trying to go?
busting back up, huh? All right. What's gold doing? Gold is just being nasty. Um, yeah. So now that ultimatum is working as intended, I can. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Yeah. I'm gonna see what I can. Uh, see what I can do to clean up my Ninja Trader even more. But yeah, it looks like I can't run more than like 4 or 5 NQ charts the way I had them, because it's just too much for my platform. It's too much for Ninja Trader. So, but yeah, I know that now. Here, this one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. Oh, why is it so large? This chart. Yeah. What? Oh shoot! I have. Oh, I have way more charts up than I need to. Okay, so we gonna. All right, let's. Yeah, we gonna close this one out. That's fine. And then yeah. Ooh, that was crazy, bro. I had more charts than I needed. Um, is an immediate positive impact on the lagging on the platform. Okay, so that was my fault. Here, yeah. And then what else? This one. And then what's this? Okay, none was taken there. Trying to, where's the pullback? Okay, here. Bang. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I had one extra chart too many. Yeah, bro. It's doing good. Yeah. So now I got this my funded futures. I gotta do the K. I still gotta do the KYC. I'm doing a bunch of shit. Probably do that later on today. And yeah, we're gonna see how they rock out. I wonder, are they? Do you have you ever traded with my funded futures?
No, that is Mike.
Yeah, no, I know Mike has. I just didn't know if you have.
Yeah, that's Mike's favorite prop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never tried it. I'm curious. How's their rules like? Are they tight?
To be honest, I didn't even look at them because I feel like the way I trade, it should be fine because I don't be trying to go for huge days and prop.
Your rules basically work with everything.
Yeah, kind of versatile, which is
Like y'all said, if you can trade with Apex, you can trade on anything.
yeah. You can trade with Apex. You can trade with anybody. That's a fact. Yeah, Apex has the most stringent rules in the prop firm space, but that's because they offer so much leverage.
And they pay.
Yeah, and I know people complain that they don't pay, but it's like, bro, if their rules are crazy, yes, but they offer 20 accounts. So what do you think they're gonna do? 20 accounts and make it like free money? Like, nah. People like, yo, trailing drawdown's a scam. Like, how is it a scam? It's just their rule. It's not a scam. It's their rule. If you don't like the rule, don't trade with them. That's my response when I hear people say it's a scam. It's like,
Fact.
don't. There are other prop firms to use.
Or they get wrecked and they blame the prop.
Yeah. It's like, oh, they didn't pay me out. Well, did you follow the rules? Well,
Over there gambling.
yeah, well, I didn't follow the rules. Like, all right, bro. So, yeah, that's follow the rules. You get paid. Every time I got denied, I knew why. Like I knew I was like, damn, I'm gonna get denied. I knew it. And guess what? Got denied.
Damn.
There are times where I thought I was gonna get denied and I didn't. That's cool. I'll take that too. But for the most part,
you're gonna get denied. It's like, oh, I made too much in one day or some shit like that.
yeah. Yeah. And other times too, like because maybe in a trade that was in a too much drawdown or whatever the case is. But you know, if you know the rule, you gotta follow it and you'll be led to glory. Follow the rule, you'll be okay. That's just it. Yeah. Yeah, follow the rule and you be chilling.
Mm-hmm.
That's really how it go. Yeah, man. So yeah, you were saying your schedule. So you were saying you're gonna be off of work at 5 or something now, or what were you saying?
Yeah. So from now on, well, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'll go in at 11, and I'll be off Mondays 5 p.m., Tuesday and Wednesday 4 p.m. So I should have like the whole evening off for like forever now. From now
Mm,
on. Mm-hmm.
that's fire.
Yep. And
What
then
what ended up happening? You got promoted or something?
yeah, I got a different position now, so they
Mm,
let me change my schedule a little bit because there was times where I'll be there at nighttime, like six
mm-hmm.
p.m., 7 p.m., and now I'll get to be home for
Order
the evening,
submitted.
which it'll be cool because I can top it up, do whatever now.
Right. Yeah, that's fire. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Mm. Went and got the breakfast sandwich early in the morning. I didn't get a chance to eat it until now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, bro. But yeah, I wonder what's happening with everyone in the group, man. It seems like everyone got what happened. I know market has been kind of nasty. So
Oh, Doug said that he got slipped up.
damn.
Yeah, I can see it because we were having some crazy moves, like
Order filled.
30 points, 50 points, like up and down, and we
Like
still
right
got,
at pre-market, right?
huh?
At pre-market, I saw like a 30-point drop out of nowhere.
Yeah, I think even with market open, it,
Mm-hmm.
it was it was just too fast.
Yeah, fast as hell. Like, yeah, it was mad fast. But yeah, that's why I don't have those light. So people were saying rhythmic and trade debate were having some issues. Um, I know that rhythmic stay having issues, so that's why I have my take profit trader accounts as the leader, like as the data leader, because I don't yeah I can't, not anymore, and I have a bunch of stuff on my charts and stuff, so and now it's like much easier. Yo, it's kind of crazy how um yeah, it's kind of crazy that the uh like I have zero lag. And the whole time it was such a simple fix, but again, you live and you learn, you know.
Yeah, plus it's things that you needed back then.
Mm-hmm.
Now you won't, bro. That's crazy. I can't believe that. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You built that in a couple weeks, bro.
Yes, sir. Look at the AI, Claude.
Yeah, it's just crazy. I
Claude
need to
came
start
through
messing with
clutch.
that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was nuts. Yeah. Yeah, it's time to go crazy. Let me see. What did that say? I actually need to have a video recording to prove this. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, Martin, where you at, man?
Yeah, where mine
Hmm.
at?
Yeah. Yeah, I know I'm gonna have to do a Ninja Trader like master class.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could probably help with it too, because I know you know Ninja pretty well now too.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, sounds like that Project X is gone.
Yeah, like I know for a bunch of firms, I know for a bunch of people, like they're still using it now, which is fine. And they said there's not going to be any service interruption for a while. But I'm hearing in 2026, you know, no Project X for people.
Yeah, it's got a deadline.
So yeah, we'll see. We'll see exactly what they're talking about. It definitely does suck though, because I know there's been a lot of people that they Project X was their thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And now
man.
it's like you gotta go use something else.
Yeah, it never worked for me. I hated it.
Yeah, nah, I'm good on Project X. I'm all set. I'm good on that. Nope, not me.
It's always laggy too. Always.
Yeah, always. Everyone says it. Project Slip X. Project Slip X.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Mm-hmm. All right, bro. All right, well, I'm about to jump in the shower. I'm probably gonna work. I gotta get back working out because I have not in a very long time. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, bro, I got a trainer and he's making me a meal plan.
Well, that's fire.
Yeah, I look forward to that.
Hell yeah. When did you start the meal plan?
He's working on it right now. I was doing like a form of keto, and
Mm-hmm.
and I think it was working. It was kind of working out, but I told this dude all my goals, what I want to do, because
Mm-hmm.
I really want to get like buff, bro. But I like, bro, I my gut is just so hard to get rid of. The gut is just so, but I know what that's from. That's why when I used to drink and party and do all that shit, it's just
Oh
like,
yeah.
yeah, bro, it's very stubborn fat. It's not the type of fat that I can just get rid of it like
Mm-hmm.
that. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So I told this dude like what I'm trying to do, and hopefully he cooks something up for me.
that's fire, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Congrats on making that step. Hell yeah.
Thank you, fam. Man, I hope I can get rid of this shit.
Yeah, bro. It sounds like you're doing the right steps to accomplish these goals. So
Mm-hmm.
to me,
And
it sounds like it's gonna get done.
and I've been consistent the whole year, consistent.
Hell yeah. Do you think you seen improvements otherwise?
Yeah, bro, my gorilla arms, I'm starting to get them. I see them.
Nah. You've been talking about trying to get that for so long too. That's funny.
Yeah, and I see him. I'm like, all right, now I'm a little bit buff, but now I got this fat belly, so I need to take
Yeah.
care of this.
No, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I gotta get in the gym today. That's what I'm about to do
Hey,
right now. Fuck that.
hey, let's go.
Yeah, bro. Well, yeah, I'll tap back in once I'm done to see where you at. I don't know what time you said you're leaving to work. What, like
Uh,
2 hours
I'm
or something?
fixing I'm fixing to leave shortly, but I'll be at the crib around 5 p.m. my time.
Mm. Okay,
You
word.
got